Hello JC Premier Distributors. Guess what? I am with Mr. Chen, the owner of this coffee farm. And if I'm not mistaken, we're 800 meters above sea level. He's going to tell us how our Good Leaf coffee is being made or being sourced.
Yeah, there's a coffee flower. Like every tree, it has flower first, and then flower turn into fruit. The small one is a fruit,
And then?
at the small scale, and then it grow up.
Grow up. There's something inside.
It's a fruit, and inside the bean. It's ready to harvest when it turn red. Oh, best time to harvest is December to January. Yeah, really, this coffee farm is organic.
It's organic.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you know, guys, where our organic Good Leaf coffee comes from. For the next step, I will bring you to the coffee roasting plant. Come and join me. This is the actual green bean coffee from the farm. And today, this batch will be roasted using this coffee roasting machine. Let's do this. And I'm gonna discuss to you the ingredients of our Good Leaf coffee. First, we put Arabica, 60%, 40% Robusta, and the most important of all, our Ashitaba powder, which is shipped all the way from Japan to Vietnam. We traveled around 6 hours just to get here. Simply because I want to see personally kung saan nanggagaling talaga yung mga products. And with this, guys, welcome to the